In this video, we are going to see the top 3 most used or useful VS Code extension for Rust developers. So let's see what are those and how to install. I already opened VS Code. This is my Visual Studio Code. To start the installation any extension, we have to go to the extension tab. On the left side, you'll find a couple of tabs are there. The last one, generally this type of icon is called extension. Just click here and it will be opened like this. Now there will be a search box and couple of items are there, installed and recommended, something like that. So here we see nothing is related to Rust. So we told you at the beginning that 3 extensions that are very useful for every Rust developer they require. Now I'm going to install the first extension. Inside this search box, I'm going to type Rust Analyzer and then hit return key. We'll find couple of items are there, Rust Analyzer, and there are couple of others items there. So we are going to use this one, the Rust program, this one, Rust Analyzer. Okay, and this is from rustlang.org. Okay, so if you go there, it is not written over there like that. So I'm going to start the installation of this version. So what you need to do after searching it and choosing this version or this extension, we just need to hit the install button. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will start installation, and it is showing install is done. Once the installation is done, then what you will see that you will, if you clear this thing, you will see that on is under installed. That means this installer has been installed. Using this Rust Analyzer, we can actually write Rust better. That's why I prefer, or most Rust developer they prefer this this extension. Now let's see the second extension. So for the second extension, I'm going to type this thing, even better TOML, this one. This is the extension we are going to install. Once we search it over here, it will show like this. So the first one is the even better TOML, and here you see even better TOML, and this must download, and there is the install button. We just need to click here to start the installation, and very shortly it will be installed. This extension is required to manage the configure files, so it is very easy by using this extension. The last extension is code LLDB, this one. So if you search by typing over there, then you'll find a list. From here, top one is the extension, we just need to use it. This is used for debugging the programs, and most developers, that means as developer, they prefer this thing. And what we need to do after searching, we select it, then we have to click this install button. Once we click the install button, then it will be installed shortly. We have to wait till it finished. Now if we close this thing or clear this part, we'll see under install all 3 extension has been installed. This one, code LLDB, then even better TOML, and Rust Analyzer. So these are the top 3 extension basically the Rust developer they must need to use to be more productive.